Bonsoir à vous tous, qui êtes venus rencontrer mes collègues et amis astronautes. J'ai la grande chance d'effectuer une mission de longue durée à bord de cet incroyable laboratoire spatial qui est la Station spatiale internationale. J'en suis actuellement le commandant de bord. C'est une première pour l'Europe et je suis évidemment très fier d'avoir été choisi pour cette responsabilité. Je suis très heureux d'être quelques minutes avec vous, car je sais que vous êtes réunis ce soir pour contribuer à faire connaître auprès du plus grand nombre la nécessité de l'exploration spatiale et l'importance de travailler dans l'espace pour les générations qui viennent. La Cité de l'Espace est un centre de diffusion de la culture spatiale d'envergure européenne, qui réussit à conjuguer les aspects scientifiques et éducatifs avec le plaisir de l'expérience et les aspects pratiques de l'espace. J'espère venir vous rendre visite très bientôt, car vos objectifs sont les miens également. Je sais aussi que la Cité de l'Espace a un site internet d'actualité spatiale, enjoyspace.com, que je vous recommande. Elle peut ainsi, au-delà de ses visiteurs, rayonner de manière permanente vers vous tous et vous y retrouvez mon message dès ce soir. Je voudrais encourager aussi le projet européen Ulysse et les chercheurs partout dans le monde. Il fera beaucoup mieux connaître la recherche que nous coordonnons ici. Mais bien sûr, ce soir, bon anniversaire au MEDES. 20 ans, c'est le bel âge. Le MEDES fait un travail important pour la médecine spatiale et aussi ses applications concrètes, ici et pour chacun sur Terre. Mon vol se déroule d'ailleurs très bien. C'est bien sûr à cause de toutes les expériences acquises par les médecins et les chercheurs qui préparent et accompagnent nos missions spatiales. Je vous invite à regarder un petit film sur la vie à bord de la station.
Good morning to the International Space Station. Today, me, Frank De Winne, together with my international crew, we are ready for another busy tasking day in the International Space Station. Like everybody who gets up to get to work, we first need to clean up a little bit. Now here in the space station, this is not so easy as we would do on Earth. We don't have showers, we don't have baths, and for sure we don't have a lot of water. So everything we do with minimal water possible. So in the morning we just freshen up a little bit, because during the day we do a lot of sports, and of course after the sporting sessions then we wash more properly. So let me show you how we will freshen up in the morning. First of all, we take our washing clothes, we have a bag with water, and this is what we use to freshen up. And yes, we have a very small bathroom here, which is just to the right of me, so let's have a look in our bathroom. As you can see, not very luxurious, but still, it's enough space for us to do what we need to do. So, water is also very dangerous on the space station, because we have a lot of electricity, so we need to be very careful not to spill it. So we just put a little bit in our washcloth, as you can see here. And with gravity, of course, you can form nice bubbles, and they can float away. That's why we need to be very careful. Here I'm just making a demonstration. But usually we don't do it like this. Usually we let all the water straight go into our washcloth, and then we close it immediately so that we can't spill anything. And now it's washing time. As we said, it's just freshen up in the morning, so it will not take very long. So that's about it. And now, of course, we also need to brush our teeth. This is very important as well for our health. Also here, we will use very little water. And we have also a very special technique. We still use a normal teeth brush. And we also use normal toothpaste. Again, we will be very economic with everything we are using on board of the space station. Just a few drops of water. As you can see, they are coming out here. on my toothbrush. This is all we need. Some are floating away, so I'll try to catch them with my toothbrush. This is more than sufficient water to brush our teeth. Also toothpaste, we will use very little. On the ground as well, we often use too much toothpaste for what we need. So let's just use a very tiny little bit. More than enough. And now, it's actually like at home. However, I can't talk. As you have seen, when we have finished brushing our teeth, we can't use water to spool our mouth. So we just get rid of the toothpaste in a small cup like this, which of course after a while we exchange. And then we use a little bit of water again to clean our toothbrush, because of course we need to keep it clean. So we use a little bit of water. There it goes again. Oops, here is a drop. That's it. And with this bit of water, and again our small clothes, we can clean our toothbrush, which we can replace regularly here on the space station. It's clean and we can use it tonight. So, that was most of our morning routine. Of course, we also need to get dressed, and we also need to use the toilet. The toilet here is the same place as I was in before. It's also totally different than when we go to the toilet at home, because we don't have gravity, so we need a ventilator to be able to make all the fluids and all the nasty odors going away. This is the tube that we use to urinate, and we also have a small toilet here to use for the bigger bathroom. But of course, like at home, toilets are private, so I'm sorry, here you will have to miss the movie. Talk to you later. Bye.
Voilà. J'espère que ça vous a plu. Je vous souhaite une bonne soirée à tous. Bon anniversaire. Au revoir mes amis. Recevez toutes mes amitiés depuis la Station Spatiale Internationale.